How to sign up on Forex Trading Account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create Forex Trading Account. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to forex.com. Once you get here, you want to enter your email address. Then click on the Start Trading option. Now select the type of account you want to create. Once you have selected that, here you will have to enter some details. So start by entering your country. Then enter your email address and create a unique username. After that, create a strong password. Once that is done, from this drop-down menu, select your title. Then enter your first name. After that, you want to enter your last name. Now enter your date of birth. Once that is done, you want to enter the primary phone number. Once all these details have been filled, you want to tap on the Save and Continue option. Now, an email will be sent to the email address you entered. Click on the link in order to verify your email address. Once that is done, you will have to enter some personal details. After that, you will have to enter about your trading experience. Once all these process has been completed, your new account will be successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.